Good morning, student. How are you all? Okay. Today I am taking class Pharmacology of Nursing, Unit 10. Okay. So today class cardiovascular drugs. Today topic is Hemetinics. What is hemetinics? You have any idea? It is a nutrient required for the formation of blood cell in the process of hematopoiesis. Okay. Mainly, this is hemetinics are the drugs which used to stimulate the formation of RBC. These are used for primary in the treatment of anemia. For example, iron, folic acid, tablets, vitamin B12 and multivitamins. All are the tablets. We should use the hemetinics. Okay. Next is mechanism of action. They act supplement and replace depleted iron storage in the bone marrow to assist in the erythropoiesis RBC production. Is production of the RBC. Okay, got it. Next, drug example and its doses. For first one drug is fumarate. First, the dose up 600 mg daily requirements is provided to the patient, and ferrous sulfate is provided 200 mg TDS. Next is ferrous gluconate. We provide the patient is 300 mg as per requirement. Next one is iron dextran. We should provide to the patient 50 mg per ml, either IM and other or IV. Next one is indication / uses. What are the indication and uses for these drugs? To prevent and treat iron deficiency anemia. Its work as a preventive measure, like prevent and treat the anemia. Next is in children during rapid growth. It's help in pregnant and lactate mothers. It's help to growth and development, and for the risk of anemia as dietary supplement of iron. In dietary pattern, we should take good iron diet. Next one is patient with post gastrectomy. What is the meaning of gastrectomy? It is totally surgical removal of the stomach. Okay. Sometimes it's the pyloric wall located between the stomach and first part of the small intestine, like duodenum, is removed, and it is unable to retain food long time enough to partial digestion occur. It is improper digestion. That's why we surgically remove this part here, or sometimes totally remove of the gastrectomy. That is gastrectomy, totally removal, surgical removal of the stomach. Okay. Next one is contraindications. First we discuss indication. After that we discuss about contraindications. Indications / uses. It's complete. After that, contraindications and precautions. What are the contraindication, and we should take precaution for this. First one, patient with hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis, it is a hereditary disorders in which iron salt are deposited in the tissue. इसमें iron salt is deposited into the tissue, and sometimes it's leading to cause liver damage, kidney damage and heart damage. Next one is a hemolytic anemia. What is hemolytic anemia? It is disorder in which red blood cells are destroyed. Okay, destruction of red blood cell is called hemolytic. Okay. Next is patient with hemosidrosis disorders. Hemosidrosis disorders. Hemosidrosis disorder, it is term used for excessive accumulation of iron. Excessive accumulation of iron. Its deposit is called hemosiderin in the tissue. Next one is hypersensitivity to the drugs. Next is adverse effect. What are the adverse effects? First one is nausea and vomiting. Nausea, it is very common for nausea and vomiting. Nausea, vomiting and constipation. Some drug cause constipation, some drug cause vomitings, okay, and some drugs cause gastric problem, GI distress and dark stool. After taking these drugs, some patients suffering from black stool, tight stool, hard stool, okay, local pain at IV sites. So whenever we put on hand IV set, the time in their localized area pain will be present. Next one is perinatal iron may cause headache, vomiting, nausea and anaphylaxis. And next one is temporarily stained teeth with liquid iron. Next, bronchospasm with perinatal iron. What is bronchospasm? It is spasm of the bronchial smooth muscles producing narrowing of the bronchi. Okay, it is totally narrowing of the bronchi that cause the a proper breathing difficulty. Okay, next is drug interaction. But what is drug interactions? Like antacid, for example, for antacid, tetracyclines, clemistidine, decrease absorption of the oral iron preparations. Next one is vitamin C, या फिर ascorbic acid. Its other name is ascorbic acid. And chloramphenicol increase the absorption of oral iron preparations. At the end, nursing responsibilities. Nurse should administer drug according to the prescribed route. First one is nurse should administer drug according to the prescribed route. Okay. Next, should check for constipation. It is very important to check the constipation contraindications. Okay, check the contraindications like vomiting, diarrhea, nausea, constipations, okay, any allergic reactions. We must be checked after giving these drugs. Okay. Next, monitor patient CBC count, HB and plasma iron level. Next one is nurse should teach to the patient, like teach to the patient, provide health educations, like, okay. First one is continue, give advice for continue and regular doses schedule after missing dose. Okay, no miss the dose and regularly taken the medications. Next one is drink at least 2 liters of liquid daily. 2 liters of liquid we take.
First years.
Next one is avoid antacid, caffeine products, dairy products, eggs, whole grain, breads for 1 hour after taking oral iron preparation. Okay, next last is be aware that oral iron preparation may turn stool dark green or black color. Okay, take a good supplement, improve the dietary pattern, make the dietary chart in at home and personal okay, and regular take these medications. Before ending this all this, we summarize the today topic. Okay, first we discuss the what is the hemodynamics. Okay, next one we discuss what how its action and mechanism of hemodynamics. Next is drug example and its dose. Next we discuss indications. What are the indications? How as we provide the iron supplement to the patients, we patient with the post gastrectomy and treat the iron deficiency anemia, prevent the anemia problems. Okay, and it helps the child growth, rapid growth development, pregnant and lactate mothers. We should provide this. Next is contraindications. We discuss the contraindication and precautions. There are some precautions: hypersensitivity to the drugs and hemolytic anemia. They all discuss this and adverse effect is nausea, vomiting, GI distress. We all discuss this. After that we discuss drugs interactions, how the drug is interact, and last one we discuss in detail nursing responsibility of the drugs. Okay, so this topic is finished. Hope you all understood this topic. Thank you.